everybody, there is literally, a fireworks show over there, and I'm filming it to post. Yeah. Bro, that looks so sick. That looks so sick. Do you see it? Do you guys see it? Yeah, it's right there. It's so good. I could. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. It's 4th of July, everybody, and everybody's probably not doodling at their phones right now because they're too busy looking at this amazing sight. Pick. Come on, just give me a good firework. Oh, pick. Yeah. That looks so good. Like, you guys have to go here. This place is sick. Yeah. I'll catch you guys up in the comments. Yeah. I want everybody to comment now. Yeah, or else you will find a spider under your bed tonight. And I'm not kidding. I'm serious. Okay, I'll load you up on part 2 soon enough.